accident. What it do, your boy Paul Wall? Came to see my boy Dr. G. Hey, I had back pain, neck pain. I had back pain again, triple back pain. Hey, this is what you come see, man. You know, you got me feeling good. You gonna have you feeling right too. Best in Dallas, Dr. G, my boy. All right, bro.
Hey everybody, it's Dr. G. Man, today we got the Iceman Paul Wall. You ready for this? So we're gonna do, like, you tell me if it's too much, we're just gonna, yeah. But it'll help the muscles loosen up, it'll help the adjustment go a lot better too. Yeah, man. And you're telling me about how long has it been since you've been adjusted last?
About a year and a half, probably.
Year and a half? Ah, that's been good while,
Yeah, probably since before COVID. No, actually, no, it's not been that long. So I got COVID. I got adjusted one time during COVID.
Okay. Oh, during COVID, yeah, so less than a year probably, maybe. Yeah, man. And you said usually you got lower back pain kind of from when you're sitting driving for a long time?
Yeah. And then I always have like a bunch of neck tension.
Both sides or which side?
Yeah, kind of both sides.
Both sides? Okay. Yeah, this will help. That's okay. It's not too much, right?
No.
Okay, cool, man. So we'll get the neck, man. You feel it right there.
Yeah.
Left side. It's more the right side than anything. All right, so go ahead and relax right here. Put a little pressure. Good, man. You all right?
Yep.
Good deal, good deal. So like right there. And just kind of lean, relax. Good. Whew, man, that's good, man. You good?
Yes, sir.
All right, man. All right, man, that left side. It's tight right there. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this roller, right? I'm gonna roll right here, and then into your hips. It's a 40-pound roller. You just tell me if it's too much, but overall it should feel pretty good. It'll help the adjustment go a lot better. Is that all right?
Yep.
All right, man. Y'all got any questions for Paul? Anything? Besides yourself, who's your favorite white rapper?
Drake, maybe? No, just playing. J. Cole, because you know he's half white. I don't know. I like G-Eazy. I like Jack Harlow.
Yeah, Jack Harlow, man.
Yeah, honestly, I like that you never brought your race into it whenever you were rapping.
Yeah.
Like, what made you want to do that? Not mention that you were white.
It never even came to my mind because everybody I was rapping with, they never, talked about being they were black or being something else. So it like never even crossed my mind that I should say it or even not say it.
Yeah,
It really, actually, it never even was it wasn't an issue or a non-issue until we went mainstream, and then it was like something everybody asked. Oh, how'd you make it being white? And it was like, before that, no one ever brought it up or asked about it.
I think maybe that's a Texas thing. Texas is just so diverse,
Yeah.
With the Mexicans, the blacks, whites, everybody's just together.
That's kind of how it was.
Yeah. Put a little pressure here, all right?
Yep.
Good. Flip over on your back.
How many grills do you own?
But
Shit.
I lost probably more than I own. I probably own like 10 or 15 maybe, but I lost at least 10 or 15. Man, take them out. You'll be eating, throw them away on accident, or throw them out the window.
Throw them away
By accident.
Man.
Lucky day to be a daughter.
Right. Good. Cool, man. Come on up, man. All right, man. How do you feel?
Feel good.
Feel good. Cool.